Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Pareto chart using Python and the stikpetP library. If you don't want to use my library, there's a separate video on how to do it without. I'm using Python version 3.97, but it probably works with other versions as well. I'm using Jupyter Lab, but it also works with other IDEs, the codes of course. The Pareto chart that I'm going to build is one that looks like this. There are different definitions, but this is the one I think looks best. To show you how this can be done, I need to load in some data, so I'm going to be using pandas to do that, so I can use the read CSV function. I'm loading in some GSS 2012 data. I don't need all this data, only one field actually, a nominal field, so I've chosen marital status to do that. And to show you the value count, here they are. So for example, separated 79 people chose the options or selected the option separated. So we want to visualize these results in a Pareto chart. So I'm going to be using the stikpetP library. To install it, use pip install and then this full link. So you can't just use only stikpetP because it's only available via my GitHub account. And then you can import it just as any other library. The function of interest is visualization VI and then Pareto chart. It takes as input the data, and if you like you can add a variable name, so it will spit that then out on top as a title or underneath, I forgot. Just run the function, give it the field, and immediately it gives you the nice Pareto chart. And that's it. The other video explains how to do it with pyplot, so I'm not going to go over all of that in here. And these were the references in case you were wondering. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.